This is how some psychologists here are making 20 to 30 lakhs a year. When I first thought about psychology, everyone said, it's interesting, but you won't earn much. Honestly, they were wrong. Because in India today, a psychologist can earn as much or even more than many IT or MBA professionals. Most psychology students don't even think about to boost your income 100x without working 24/7. The trick is knowing which career path to choose, and that's exactly what I will show you in this video. Hi, I am Pragya Prateek, a counseling psychologist, and I welcome you to the Art of Mindful Thinking. If you are a student, a career switcher, or just curious about psychology, in this video I will take you through the different specializations or career options in psychology, the kind of work they involve, and yes, what you can actually earn in India from your very first job to the years down the line. Let's get started. So psychology isn't just one job, it's a whole world of possibilities. Let's go through them one by one, and I will also let you know what kind of salary range you can expect in each. Number 1, clinical psychology. This path is about helping people who struggle with mental illnesses like depression, anxiety, trauma, and more. You could work in hospitals, private clinics, mental health centers, or even start your own practice center after gaining enough experience and license. If you are someone who enjoys understanding the deeper side of human emotions and solving complex mental assessments, this could be for you. In India, freshers usually start at 25,000 to 35,000 per month, and with private practice and years of experience, it can go up to 1.5 to 2 lakhs per month. Number 2, counseling psychology. This focuses on guiding people through everyday challenges like stress, relationships, or academic pressure. Career opportunities include schools, NGOs, corporates, or private practices. If you are that friend everyone comes to for advice and you love people helping find clarity, this might suit you. Beginners usually earn 20,000 to 35,000 per month, with potential growth to 80,000 to 1.5 lakhs per month. Number 3, industrial or organizational psychology. This is about understanding people at work, improving workplace cultures, productivity, and employee well-being. You could work with companies, HR teams, or as a consultant. If you enjoy solving problems in work environments and want to blend business with psychology, this is an exciting choice. Starting salaries are around 25,000 to 40,000 per month, and experienced consultants can make 2 to 3 lakhs per month. Number 4, UI/UX psychology. This role focuses on studying how people think and behave when using websites, apps, and other digital products. So if you enjoy combining psychology with design to make technology easier and more enjoyable to use, this career is for you. You help companies create products that fit users' needs and feelings. Starting salaries are around 20,000 to 30,000 per month and can grow to 1 to 2 lakhs per month depending on the company and type. Number 5, forensic psychology. Here you use psychology to assist in legal cases, understanding criminals, helping in investigations, and working in courts. If you are fascinated by crime, justice, and human behavior, this is a unique career. In India, salaries are around rupees 35,000 to 50,000 per month, with senior experts earning around rupees 1.5 lakh or even more. Number 6, sports psychology. This is about helping athletes stay mentally strong, focused, and confident during training and competitions. If you love sports and motivating others to perform their best, you will enjoy this role. Entry-level salaries are 30,000 to 50,000 per month, while working with elite teams can bring 2 to 3 lakhs per month. Number 7, neuropsychology. This branch focuses on diagnosing and treating conditions like brain injuries, strokes, Alzheimer's, or learning disorders by understanding how brain function impacts behavior. If you are curious about the brain-mind connection and want to combine medical knowledge with psychology, this is for you. Salaries start at rupees 35,000 to 55,000 per month, reaching to 1.5 to 2 lakhs with specialization and experience. Number 8, rehabilitation psychology. This is about supporting people recovering from physical injuries, disabilities, addiction, or chronic illnesses. to rebuild confidence and independence in daily life. If you have patience, empathy, and the desire to help others adapt and thrive after challenges, you will find this very fulfilling. In India, beginners earn 25,000 to 35,000 per month, with seniors earning around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. Number 9. Child psychology. This focuses on understanding and supporting children's mental, emotional, and developmental needs, often working closely with families and educators. So, if you are passionate about shaping young minds and ensuring healthy growth, this career can be very rewarding. Salaries begin at 25,000 to 40,000 per month and can go up to 1 to 1.5 lakh with specialization and private practice. Number 10. Research and academia in psychology. Here you teach, write, and research to advance the field of psychology. If you love exploring ideas and shaping the next generation of psychologists, this is the way to go to. Salaries begin at 40 to 60,000 per month, reaching 1 to 2 lakh for senior professors. But honestly speaking, the first couple of years, irrespective of which career or degree you are in, are all about learning, getting hands-on experience, and building your name. By the time you hit 3 to 5 years, the right specialization and connections can really open doors. And once you have got the foundation, you can mix things up, like take private clients, do workshops, consult, work online, sell courses, and a lot more. This is how some psychologists here are making 20 to 30 lakhs a year. In the next video, I am going to share something most psychology students don't even think about. That is the non-therapy options you can pair with your skills to boost your income 100x without working 24/7. So stay tuned. And if you found this video helpful, like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more such content. Also, let us know in the comments which field are you most interested in. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.